Hello again. I'm that guy you know, and if this is your first time watching, welcome to Fixing with Friends. So today, this video is going to be a continuation of the series where we're trying to flip Cyclops, our '96 Ford Mustang. We're going to start by taking a better look at what the trunk needs. Alright, now that it's light out, let's see what manner of filth is in here. So we've got a wire for the terrible speaker system, some more stereo connections. I wonder if these are even connected anymore. What else? Oh, for the trailer, cap for pen, no spare tire. Wait, what's this? Ooh, a McDonald's ketchup packet. Some high-class people own this car. I guess that fits with the McCafe coffee cup. Oh yeah, I took that off. Alright, looks like I need a vacuum. I wonder if these seats fold down. They do. Like, obviously they fold down, but whether or not they were broken is another story. Is that another ketchup packet? It's something. This is probably the first time I've had to remove a receipt, a pair of pliers. What's this? A comb? I'm sorry, previous owner. This really isn't making you look very good. Perhaps you need your comb back. There we go. It really completes the look, doesn't it? Well, you know how it goes. If at first you don't succeed, install something easy. Success. I guess I have to put the jack in first. Now then, I could be wrong, but this looks a little too tall. You're gonna look for me. Oh, maybe not. It's a little warped though. I should flip it. Done. And now for the mangled carpet. Which I am no longer convinced was for this car. So it looks like the other piece of carpet that used to be here was pulled out. Yeah, I don't know. There are so many different carpet designs, but either way I can probably just find a piece, cut it, and throw it in there. Right, so what are the expenses so far? Let's see, there's the car, so that was $800. Half a tank of gas was $30, spare tire was $14.68. The jack was $5.24. The spare tire cover, $6.29. And the trunk carpet was $15.74. So in total, I've spent $871.95. But there's more expenses to come. We'll see how much that is, and I'll see you guys next time.